The Chapters tab provides a detailed breakdown by chapter. To switch from one chapter to the next, select from here. The chapters are listed in sequence, and the first chapter in the sequence will be displayed by default. Chapter title and author name fields will be automatically populated if the chapter and author assignment has been completed. Information pertaining to any asset previously reviewed using the art audit will be automatically populated from there. These would be fields such as artwork, photos, and pickup info. Artwork maps to the final art color field in the art audit. 1C stands for 1 color, 2C is 2 color, and 4C is 4 color. If 1C is selected as 1, then it will be updated as 1C in the art audit. Photos will be populated based on the supplied image color option selected in art audit. If BW, which stands for black and white, is selected, then it will be updated as 1 against black and white in the sheet. The same applies to color photo too. Pickup info maps to the pickup source field in art audit. You can review and revise the above details in your Chapters tab. Any changes made to the details here will also be updated in the art audit. This allows you to ensure that all necessary information about the asset is up to date and accurate. If you have run Style Finder and reviewed the manuscript using PageMagic's editor, fields such as the count of manuscript pages, references, and tables will be automatically populated.